What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Darkside by Iann Dior and Travis Barker. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay, you guys, this song is in standard tuning, and you're going to capo up to the 5th fret. It's only using 4 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song, and as always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Your first chord is going to be a D minor. It's 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 1. Middle finger on the 2nd fret on the G string, ring finger 3rd fret B string, index finger 1st fret E string. Then you go in E minor, which is 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0, middle finger 2nd fret A string, ring finger 2nd fret D string. Then you go in A minor, which is 0, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0, middle finger 2nd fret D string, ring finger 2nd fret G string, index finger 1st fret B string. Then C major, just keep that same formation, just take your ring finger off and put it on the 3rd fret on the A string. That gives you 0, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. Once you get the chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. It's going to be down, 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 and then you take your fingers off, you kind of mute for down, up, and then you unmute for down, 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 up. So down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. That's throughout every single chord. Now starting with the D minor, you're going down, down, down. Then you're going to kind of take your fingers off a little bit to where it mutes it, or you can even just put your entire hand on the strings to mute for down, up, and then down, 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 up. So down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, down. So again, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, down. So full speed, that looks like. Now you can mute all of the strings to give it a more pronounced, that kind of chicka chicka sound. You don't have to. You can just take your fingers off of those strings and like still get a little bit of the ringing from some of the other strings. You don't technically have to mute all the strings. If you do, it will give it a more pronounced sound for the muting. But if you just that's all you really need to do. If you want the full muting sound, like I said, practice doing down, 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 and then covering down, up, and then back to the chord down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, down. Or like I said, you can just slightly raise your fingers to where instead of playing the notes, it's muting the notes, and then just mute that way. That sounds like down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One will win a guitar accessories kit that's got a capo, guitar straps, strings, picks, everything you need in there as a beginner guitarist. And the second winner is going to win a free Billy Schultz Music t-shirt from my merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to pick one of you lucky winners to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. All that you have to do to enter the giveaway is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and leave a comment on this video with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the announcement of the monthly prize giveaways, and then once I hit 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to live stream the announcement for that as well. And to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys on Instagram, on YouTube, liking, commenting, it doesn't matter on what platform it is, that's just going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. So again, to enter all the giveaways, like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications so you get the notification for the live streams, and leave a comment on any of the videos with a song you would like me to teach you on guitar. Also, make sure you're checking the descriptions for all the videos because I got a lot of really useful links down there for you guys. The free ebook, Master the Guitar in 7 Days, will always be down there. The guitar tab for any of the videos will be down there. All my personal information is in there, my Instagram, my socials, my email address. Thank you guys again. I really can't say it enough. Your support has been incredible. I can't wait to give away next month's giveaways, and I can't wait to give away this acoustic guitar. Again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section below. Shoot me an email, DM me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. Those are the easiest ways to get in touch with me. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you guys in the next video.